I wanted to say something to y'all. Okay, last night, right? I had a hard time sleeping. And I realized that I have a hard time sleeping when my husband works overnight. And I'll be up like most of the night. I won't really go to sleep until like maybe 4 o'clock in the morning, honestly. Knowing that I have to be up early in the morning because I have to get Royalty to school. But I have a hard time. But sometimes I just be watching like different stuff on YouTube and stuff like nomads and people that like live off the grid, travelers, um stuff like that. And it's very inspiring. I believe that I'm the person who is, my brain is just, I think more outside the box. And the way that how I see myself living, honestly, and the things that I want to experience, to the average person who just lives day to day and don't really care about too much or going places or have set goals, to the average person, it would almost be like either it's not normal, how you going to do it? Nobody in real life really lives like that. But people really really live the way how I envision myself living. And I was very like, I went to sleep inspired because I was just like I felt a little bit of, I guess I don't want to call it jealousy. It wasn't jealousy in a sense of I want their life. It was jealousy in the way of like, what's the best way to put it? Like, wow, I wish I was that brave. I wish I was that bold. I wish I was that much of a risk taker. Um, and, I do have one friend who she is a big risk taker, and it doesn't matter the cost. It doesn't matter. She will get up and go, and she will pay for an experience. And I think that I have to like I have to retrain my mind because I honestly realize that my mind is in like safe mode all the time. That's how I live day to day. It's almost like safe survival. I want to live like when Drake said that line, what he said is so many people dying, but not everybody's living. I think that's the line. Don't quote me. I barely listen to some of the rap like that. But yeah, I want to live. I was inspired to live. Like, it got me so emotional. Like, because when you feel something inside your gut, and every day that I get up and I don't take the step to do what it is I know that I want to do, or even, God pushing me to take the steps. Like, I'm in my own way. There's nobody in my way. I'm in my own way. And I have that mind like, oh, but I don't want to do it by myself. Oh, I wish I had some girlfriends I could go with. Oh, I want me and my husband to do it. Oh, I could do it with my kids. Like, just the waiting game. It's 2024, and I do not want to wait anymore. If financially it can be done, I want to do it. I don't want to be watching people live their best life or live out their truth and the things that they want to do, and I'm just sitting here being a wisher. Being a wisher don't get you how far you get with just wishing. And I told my husband the other day, because he was letting me know that the Olympics was starting again in June, and I love the Olympics. I love it. And I was like, oh, how dope that would be. I wish I could be there. And then I was like, I said, Greg, I said, we could be there. He was like, yeah, just got to plan for it in advance. And I'm like, I don't want to sit here and talk about what I wish I could do, what I wish I could be, where I wish I could go. I want to just go. I want to get out of the mindset. Sade, it's okay if you spend money to have a good time. It's okay to loosen up on the money. When am I living? When am I living? The last time I had an experience and was living, I was in Jamaica. And I said, oh my God, I want to come back. There's nothing that stopped me from going back the following year or a few months later. There was nothing in the way but me. For me to keep saying, I want to, I want to, I want to, I want to, I want to. Like, it's so many things. There's other things that I want that I don't really want to discuss right now. I want to start living. That's what I want to do. That's what I'm manifesting. That's what I'm asking God to help me with. To start living for today, this moment, this time, this second, this hour. And, I have a son who's autistic. Traveling is not his thing. That is not his thing. Because if it was truly up to me, I would homeschool both my children. Me and my husband would buy a RV. I would live in my RV. And I would tour the country. I would travel the country. If I could travel for the whole year, I would travel for the whole year. And I can. This is the thing. You have people who don't have the opportunity to do these things. And I have an opportunity to do it. But I also know I am a parent. And my big son is in high school. Royalty I can keep with me. But my big son is in high school. So when he's finally done with school, obviously I can do a consistent amount of traveling. But this year, I want it to be groundbreaking for me. Maybe you feel this way. I don't know if you do. High five, girl. I want to experience life. I want to do things that people dream about, people imagine. Like, sometimes we really are in our own way and we think it's not possible. And it's possible. It's possible. I want to go to Japan. I want to go. My dream place is Thailand. I want to go to the Bahamas. I want to go to Turks and Caicos. I want to visit a lot of places, even the islands that are not even known of. I want to go to Africa. I want to see the world. When I went to Jamaica, it was very life-changing for me. And I'm no longer that girl. Before, I used to be the girl like, oh, hair, makeup, eyelashes, all of these things matter. It's important. Like, okay, it's important if I'm getting ready for an event. But my day-to-day life, just as a mom, that's not important to me anymore. What the fancy bag I carry while I'm taking my kid to school, that's not important to me anymore. Before, image was like everything. Now, image matters depending on business, depending on the type of event you're going to, things of that sort. Y'all know what I mean. But I don't wanna sit and talk about what is the latest stuff coming out, or I want to talk about things that make sense, things that I want to exchange life-changing experiences with people. I want to meet new people. I want to meet people who we can both benefit from being in each other's lives. I want new friends, and whether it's state to state, a foreign country friends, like just out of my comfort zone. I just want to discover. I want to discover new things as I discover more of myself. And this was weighing really, really heavy on me. And sometimes you can be around people who don't have the same vision as you. and who doesn't, their goals are not your goals. Their vision is not your vision. I do realize that what most people probably dislike about me is what I love about me. I ask a lot of questions. I do a lot of research. I don't take anybody's word for word. I go and I do my own research. I'm very inquisitive. And some people are more reserved and more, no, I want to live. I want to live, meet people, have experiences. I want to be inspired. I want to inspire. I don't know if this is an aha moment. I don't know. I've always felt this way. I've always felt this way. And I see more and more people do it. I'm seeing more and more people do it. Get up and say, you know what? Forget this. I'm tired of paying these high bills. I'm tired of doing this way. I'm tired of doing that way. I'm going to buy a van and live out their van and they just travel. People do it. I don't want to hear that it can't be done. And with everything, there's a plan that has to take place. You don't just get up and say, you know what? This is my last video. I quit and I'm going on the road. No, that's not how that goes. Like, with everything, there's a plan. But I'm this week I have to go to Five Below and I have to get some things that I can like some planners and stuff. I have to do my vision board, and I have to, what I put on my vision board is what I'm manifesting and what I want for myself this year. And I'm not waiting for anybody. I'm not waiting for anybody. I want everything that God has for me. I want everything that is in the alignment and the timing that God has it for me. And I don't want anything to stop me. And, you know, the devil's always going to throw his sticks and tricks. And he could do that. But I'm already covered. I'm not even worried about that. I'm not even worried about that. I want to go to Barnes and Nobles and I want to get me some books, just like self-growth and stuff like that. And also there's this other book, Something Rich. I don't know, it's Something Rich, like how to change your mindset about things and start really living the lifestyle that you want and creating the income that you want. And I just want to put things into play. This is a year of action. This is not a year of talking about what it is that I want to do or talking to people about what I want to do. I just want to get up and do it. Most likely this little person will be with me, right? Because I'm not even letting the fact of, oh, I don't have a sitter or my mom can't stay with her because my mom works. Like, I'm going. I am going. I'm excited to see by the end of this year what doors open for me. I'm excited to see the people that I meet. I'm excited to see a lot of different things. So I don't know if that's something that maybe somebody who's watching this, that maybe one of you guys was thinking about. But you could definitely comment under this video and let me know your thoughts and what you're thinking. And shit, we'd probably be friends. Friend. So, yeah, so stay inspired. Continue to inspire.
Guys.
And,
guys,
okay, what do you want to say, boo-boo?
So, I went to Uncle.
Girl.
Okay, let me tell. Okay.
That baby sicky.
I see.
Oh, give mommy kisses. That baby sicky. Okay. You sicky. They sick and they be all over you. All the time. So yes, continue to stay encouraged. Continue to encourage somebody. And let's manifest and go after what it is that we want and what God wants us to have this year. That is the goal.
Guys,
So I love you guys.
Mama,
And
show them of me jumping there.
see, all this time I was talking, she wasn't paying me no mind.
Um,
Now I want to close out my video, and now she's paying me mine. No, Royalty, that's not okay what you're about to do. It's not okay. Y'all, like, share, subscribe. Share this video. Share it with your girlfriend. Share it with your boyfriend. Share it with your girlfriends.
What did you say, boyfriend?
Share it with your grandma, your mama, your auntie, your cousin.
Enough.
So we could live our life.
Enough.
2024.
It's like we're at the place.
All right, you guys. See you later. Until the next video.